Have you got lots of scrap fabric and need to sew a gift really quickly? Hey guys, I'm Tammy and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sew these really cute bookmarks easily. So I've got these two here and they're actually exactly the same. It's actually a reversible bookmark with different prints on the front and back, and it makes a really cute Christmas gift. Let's go over to my sewing machine so I can show you how to make this. To make these DIY bookmarks, you'll need a rectangle pattern that is 2.5 inches by 6.5 inches. Now cut out two rectangles out of fabric. I'm using these cotton ones. I like to have two different fabric prints so each side looks different. You'll also want to cut out 3 inches of ribbon. You can use scrap fabric or bias binding instead. With the right side of one rectangle facing up, fold the ribbon in half and then align the raw edges to the top edge of the rectangle in the center. Clip the ribbon in place. Then place the other rectangle with the right side facing down on top of this. Align all the raw edges and clip along. Sew around all the edges using a 1 cm seam allowance, but make sure to leave a 2-inch gap towards one side. Take a pair of scissors and cut all 4 corners of the bookmark, and this will just help create a sharp edge. Find the gap that we left and then turn the entire bookmark right side out. You'll want to use your fingers to push it to the right side, and if you have a point turner or a blunt pencil, this can help you achieve really sharp corners. Now we're going to close the gap that we left. As you can see, I've already ironed the bookmark flat. Now we're going to top stitch along all the edges. And this is the final bookmark. It's honestly the easiest and quickest method I love to use, and it works really great for scrap fabrics. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you found that really useful and easy to sew. They make a really great Christmas gift, and personally I can sew them in under 10 minutes. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you want to see more content from me. I'll see you in the next one.